Normally he would have been crying by now. He's really trying to. So we got some music playing.
There's a timer button.
So we are gonna start with one. It sounds like a clock. That's pretty good.
I don't really like this one.
Huh?
I think you like it. Okay. Like this.
Turn on. That's a good one. Alright, so it looks like it's working. He's totally awake, but he's not crying. Let's see. He seems satisfied. He seems satisfied. Let's see if he starts crying. He's not crying. He looks like he's going to. Normally he would have been crying by now. He's really trying to. So we got some music playing.
There's a timer button. 4 times. The 4th time the timer turns off. So keep scrolling. Otherwise.
So this is the white noise. You got water. Another water splashing. Sounds like lightning. Birds. All right. So timer. Now the battery compartment is over here, so you can take this off, and it takes 4 1.5 volt batteries. So if you wanted to go portable, you could. Just make sure you get rechargeable. Let's plug this in and go over some of the features. So power, and you can kind of hear it. Mode 1, you can see that it's already going. If I turn that off, it's gonna stop on its own. Anyways, it works. Definitely recommend it. So you can get some nights.